Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V30 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, a notes browser, the settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter the settings which are in this upper panel, so let's tap on it. Now let's enter languages and tap on add keyboard. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose, so you can scroll or either enter the specific name of the language you'd like to use and tap on it after your device will find it. So here you can choose the specific type of the keyboard. You can and the amount of the keyboard types depends on the specific language. You can choose one, or you can find one or up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So just mark the option you'd like to use and tap on done. And as you can see, it has been immediately added to the language to the list of all applied languages. And before I'll show you how to remove the previous language from this list, simply let's go back to the keyboard, because I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. Here we've got the hint. Basically this icon, the globe icon, is the most important, because thanks to this we can change the keyboard layout and change our writing. So now let me show you how to remove the language. Let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you want to remove, tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.